take you through our 24 unit apartment building, the Casa Palmera here in Tampa, Florida. It started as a 1910 build apartment building that hadn't been updated probably since 1910. So you can see the building on the left side, it's updated, we've painted. That was building A. And building B on your right is going to be the one coming up. You see beautiful black accenting, white wood accenting on the poles. You're going to do this exact same thing on this side here. We just put up the new fencing so we make sure that building A, when we're leasing it, we have a little bit of a division so the contractors have the side that they're working on as well. And then split just got put into building B. We're going to go check out apartment E1. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. You can see all the appliances we've got put in. The bathrooms are already tiled. All the vanities are in. Everything's painted. Beautiful floors. The countertops just got put in that exact same day. Amazing quartz. And this will be ready for lease. Oh, and we have washer dryer hookups. This is going to be ready for lease here in about 2 weeks. A lot of space. Everything very modern. It's about 550 square feet here. And in this building alone, we have about 6 units. Building A, we have 5 units. This building, we have 6. See the guys putting in the mini splits right now. Amazing contractors. So we're going to go check out the 1-bedroom units in the back. Amazing soffit jobs. As you can tell, just the details with our contractors are amazing. Again, so this is a 1-bedroom layout. It's about 450 square feet. Same thing, quartz countertops, tiled showers. In this one, we had to put the washer dryer hookup in the closet in the back. So everyone actually has it on site, which is great. Now this is building C. It's going to be 7 units. And you can see the condition that the building was in before. Every building looked like this. Not kidding. It was this bad. It was falling apart. So one of the things that we do first is make sure that the bones are good. As you can see, we have the crew in here making sure that they're reframing everything. We take out every piece of wood that doesn't fit. Get a new layout. We got lasers in. You already see what it looks like when we're outside. It's going to be about 7 units in that building. That has 5. We just saw 6 units here. We got 7 going in here. And I'll take you guys around to the back of the property. We sit on a little bit over an acre. So this is building D, our 4th building. As you can see, I mean, just in terrible condition when we acquired the building. So we'll end up taking a lot of that, reframing it. 4 units are going to go in building D. This structure in the back here is actually going to get removed, creating a lot of open space potentially for more units, parking. You have rear access, which is going to be great. And building D is going to get renovated here soon quickly. So if you guys are interested, this is what we do. We do multifamily across Florida and the United States. Thanks for watching.